Hey guys, welcome to Artsy Studio. I'm Kara.
And I'm Casey.
Hey Kason, what are we going to make today?
We're going to make some hieroglyphics.
We are going to make some hieroglyphics, you're right. Today we are going back to ancient art and we're going to talk about the ancient Egyptians and their hieroglyphics. And so ancient Egyptians were one of the first people to make black ink. So we're going to make some of these cool prints that are made out of black paint, which looks like black ink. And they were one of the first people to use printmaking. So they used to use wooden blocks on fabric to make prints. And today we are going to make monoprints. And a monoprint is where you make one print and each one is unique and never the same. So you guys just have to follow along with us and learn how to do that. And we're going to make our initials. So it's going to be really fun. Are you guys ready to get artsy? Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and get started with our fun monoprint hieroglyphics that we're doing here. And so you're going to need a few things to get started. The first thing you're going to need is this hieroglyphic sheet. And so we got that online. Kason, you want to tell them what else we're going to need?
Sure, we're going to need some paint.
Some black acrylic paint, because Egyptians use black.
Like he said, we're going to need some paper.
Gonna need some paper.
We're going to need this fine paint roller.
You need this roller, or if you don't have one, a paintbrush will work just fine.
And we need this
aluminum foil.
Yeah.
We need some aluminum foil and a Q-tip. And so that's all we're gonna need. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to need to know is we are going to do our initials here on the aluminum foil to make a monoprint. And so we need to find our initials, and mine was C and N, and Kason's was C and P. So it's a cup and a zigzag and a cup and a box. And so we're going to find one, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I'm just going to use the simple A. So that's the first one. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to use my brayer, but if you don't have one, you can just use a sponge brush or paintbrush of some sort and spread it across the foil. And I'm just going to roll my paint across the foil in a block. And the thing about printing is we're going to get the reverse image. So the bird here is facing this way, but I'm just going to make my bird face the other way. So I'm going to take my Q-tip and I'm going to start drawing my bird. So I'm going to start, his beak is going to go this way, and you'll see why when we print it. But on this one, it's going that way, but we want ours to go this way. And then he's got his head here. Go around, wings kind of a box. A little feather wing. I'm going to make sure that my paint's coming off. So sometimes you have to use the other side of the Q-tip too. There we go. Gonna come over and use the chest of my bird. Make sure I give him an eye. And then I'm going to give him his little feet here. There we go. Okay, so the next step is just to take our paper, and we are going to stick our paper directly on top of that and just push it down. Smooth it out, and then we have our print. So that one turned out nice. So you see, we drew it out this way, but when you take the paper, you're going to get the reverse, which is the right way. So that is how you make these. Okay guys, thanks for getting artsy with us today. Sorry. Whoop. Okay, so we actually have ours to show you. So we were both C's. So we are both cups. And then mine is, can I scoot over Kason real quick? Whoop! Mine is CN. And then what is yours, Kason?
CP.
CP. So we cannot wait to see what you guys came up with. If you'd like to share your hieroglyphics with us, we'd love to see them. And you can do that by tagging us at Instagram at artsystudio or sending it to our website at www.artsystudio.com. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.